What's going on, YouTube Metal Complex here, and welcome to another short little unboxing with YouTube's greatest and most efficient unboxer. As you can see here, as usual, we are summoning the powers of Rainbow Steel and the Lady of the Sea to quickly and conveniently cut into a pack. That first cut literally did nothing. Practice run. You know, you can never truly wield the maximum benefit of the power of the Lady of the Sea. Listen to me struggling around continuous dialogue while I struggle to open this package. Basically what I'm saying is that the Lady of the Sea makes cuts when she decides to make cuts. It's not necessarily me, you know, using her. Harry, you are good at packaging up boxes. There's a lot of writing on this, so I'm going to make sure that I don't accidentally show anybody's address. Let's see here. Sorry, we're having to do a little of this off camera. So here's the priority box. Now we're going to make the usual cut here. Cut in just a little bit there. Oh, like butter. Rock hard butter. All right. So we've got some more packaging here. So this is a box that was sent to me by Harry Gage, or Shaker MT, down in the comments section. Harry sends a lot of awesome stuff to my channel, and he is a very generous patron, so I always appreciate anything from Harry's collection that he allows me to take a look at. Is the suspense killing you guys yet? Oh my gosh. Commendable boxing skills. My goodness, what are we... Oh boy. Harry, I forgot you were sending this. You reminded me the other day and I still forgot that you were sending this to me. Wow. That is beautiful. Let's take a moment to appreciate the... is this the Slimfoot Arcform? Oh my gosh. Look at that. That is beautiful. Look at that backspacer. I'm going to guess that this is copper. We got to fire it. Oh yeah. Look at that blade. That is an awesome blade. Man, I can understand why. I remember when this was like first a thing, and I took a look at it and I was like, that's a really handsome looking knife. You know, but now handling it, you know, it's a little chunky, and I gotta say I like that. Oh my gosh, it's so smooth. Wow. It's nearly frictionless. Honestly, like right here, I mean, what you're seeing is tightness, which is something, you know, once that detent ball wears its track into the blade, it'll free fall. But that's nearly frictionless. That is a luxurious feeling smoothness. Absolutely. That is an awesome knife. Ooh, I'm going to have a lot of fun reviewing this. This is really cool. Look at the stonewash on that. Really, really pretty. Oh, man. I love the simplicity of this design. I really, really am blown away by that. I love the simplicity of the pocket clip. I love the little micro texturing on that backspacer. That is really, really cool. Steel lock bar insert and over travel stop. Beautiful. Am I getting the name exactly right? It says on the info. Well, in any case, once we do the review, you guys will get all the information on the knife. But as far as today goes, that is all the entertainment I have for you regarding this knife. If you enjoyed this unboxing, or at least found it mildly entertaining, please leave a like. If you'd like to take a look at my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like, so check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, then please subscribe to my channel, because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, and have a great day.